Hi guys, Lens here. So I have this air cooler and I have it for about going to be 4 years. Well, it is in good condition as you can see in terms of the exterior, and here's where you can put your water and cold water if possible, if you want to put ice in it as well. Why I am reviewing this is because I realize that after using this for a year, about a year and 7 months or so, I realized that some of the functions stopped working. However, I maintain this properly in terms of the back. There's a lid that you can take off at the back, and you can clean it. There's a cloth inside that will trap all the dust and all the stuff that you can clean. You remove the 4 screws toward the top, toward the bottom, and then you open the back and clean. It is currently off, but what I am bringing to your attention is that the screen stopped working. There usually be a fan here spinning and with some other information. That was one of the first things that stopped working. Secondly, as you can see here, well, I have the remote here as well. The sleep and speed and timer, they are all working. The cool is working also. The swing, this stopped working along with the screen, and I'm just making this video to make those of you out there aware. If possible, you looking forward to purchase one of this, and you never know, you might be able to run into these problems as well. So this is why I'm just doing this video, so that you can know. So however, the swing, if you look here, there is this thing here. This should be moving like this, like that, like this. So what that will do, that will change the direction of the breeze that is blowing out of the air cooler, right? So this is stuck, it's not moving. So that's the problem, and additional problem here with the screen. It might be fixable, but it would definitely take a lot of time, and then to get parts to do the necessary repairs, that is additional time and you know, going around. So with that being said, this is why I am making this. Also, this have something called ionoser. That is something that will cleanse the air, kill the bacteria in the air. So it's a very good thing. I just chose to do this review after about going to 4 years now. I chose to do this review, and I'm going to turn it on. And you can see the ionoser is on right there, kill the bacteria in the air. And I can take down the speed. Also, we can enable the timer as well, so it will work accordingly. It will work for a time and then shut off and then come back on. So we can take the timer off, and also we can put on the cool. Currently the fan is on, so if I want to put on the cool, I can put on the cool. And here you can see the lights, they are all on. I can also put the swing on, but it is not working. I don't know if you can see, but there is a thing there that suck the water up. so it will suck the water up, a pump, and whatever cold water, ice, and that is what will be coming out at the top here in a cool format. And that is the back cloth I was telling you about there, that would have anything in the air, it will just suck it in and it will be trapped inside of that. So time to time you will have to clean that in a form of maintenance. So yeah, I just decided to do this after 3+ years, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and if you desire of using one, if you experienced a similar problem,